What's going on, guys? Welcome back. So I have a new project on my desk, and let's give you guys the first update before I get any further. So this is the Revell 1968 Mustang GT, as you see in the corner here. And I heard this kit is a very good kit. So, and it looks pretty easy. So let's show you guys how easy this is. My first off the bat, I wish every kit was like this, and I'll explain why. So as you see here, I got the body here. It's not 100% done, not 100% ready for primer, but it's getting there. But what I mean by this, I wish every kit had this issue, is the interior goes in so well. I mean, it has these 4 huge locating pins I wish every kit had. So, and the chassis actually goes in there and actually screws in there, which I'm not too big of a fan of, screw bombs, but well, we gotta do. But yeah, I wish every interior had that issue, because sometimes these interiors are kind of pain to put in, but and not a big deal. But the body's almost ready for primer and paint. It's a little dirty because I was sanding on it and stuff, getting the mold lines out. As you can see, mold lines all over the place on this body. Well, down the fender and up the 8-pillar to the roof and back here again. Yeah. But we got the back assembly of the car on. That actually went in very well. I'm actually quite surprised how well that in. And the front portion actually clicked right in also. I had an issue of mine. The fender was actually cut right here on both sides. So I had to do a little filler, do some little body work, but not a big deal. Got that all taken care of, and I might have to scribe out the panel line there, because I'm pretty sure that's like a separate panel on a real car, so not a big deal. Just gotta scribe that out and we'll take it from there. But the body's not 100% done yet. I still gotta do more sanding. As you can see, the mold line is kind of still there, kinda, but body's actually very cool. So the body color I'm going to go with is the splash paints. This lovely red, Roya Maroon, I believe that's how you pronounce it. This is actually a very cool red. I actually love these older Mustangs in these dark, like not dark, but these reddish colors. Like that red over there in the box art is actually very cool. This one's actually a little bit darker than the box art, but I just love these older Mustangs and these cool color reds. So that's what we're gonna go with, and this is actually a Mustang color Y-Splash paints. So I'm actually looking forward how this actually sprays on and how it looks on the body. So then we got the hood all sanded, and the hood's all done, but the body's not. But that's actually looking pretty good. So let's set that off to the side. I did strip some chrome off this kit because I didn't want it chrome. Like for instance, the stock steering wheel, it was chrome. I didn't want it, so I stripped that down and probably painted interior color. The grill, it was chrome, but on the real car they're black, so I stripped that down. And the air filter, these are originally like same engine color, Ford engine blue, so I'm probably just gonna do that. But I stripped that because I didn't want it chrome. The bumpers, I was debating or not, but after you take it off the tree and there's a huge line right there, you can see right there, I still got sand and stuff. It's just kind of pain, so I was like, it's kind of ugly when you put it on there. So I'm gonna sand it down and paint it probably outclad chrome, and it'll look probably a little bit better in my opinion. The valve covers, I'm really debating on keeping these chrome or not, but we'll see. I want to see how I go with on this kit. The engine is about done for assembly and ready for paint. So the engine's actually very cool. There's a big hole in there because that's where the little axle goes. So I believe this is an older issue and been repopped, if I'm not mistaken, because you know, there's, you know, I wouldn't reimagine this metal axle going through there in the modern kit, but that's not a big deal. But the engine's actually very cool. And I might go with yellow distributor because the engine's gonna be blue, so I might as well put some color in the engine. So go yellow distributors, just, you know, for poppy look. I'm gonna go with the stock wheels because I love how these wheels look. They look so cool. I put a little black wash in the middle of them, just, you know, bring that GT out. So that's very cool. So the wheels are done. I got those all scuffed up actually. I did my scuffing method. Looks pretty good. The interior on our hand is, I might just do like a basic semi-gloss black for the dashboard and seats to act like leather seats and stuff. But yeah, I might just do black because these older Mustangs, they're mostly black. I don't really see them that much in other colors. So that's what I'm gonna do with the interior, just basic black, semi-gloss black probably for the seats and stuff. Get it that leather look because they originally were leather back then. But that's pretty much about it for now, guys. I just want to give you guys a short update before I move on, and hopefully next time you see this, there should be color on the body. This color should look so good on this car, so I'm really looking forward for this. But that's pretty much about it for now, guys, and until next time, I'll catch you guys later. Bye for now.